Hello guys, welcome everyone. So today we are going to start the first technique. It is a very famous technique, everyone know about it, but what we have to focus, we have to focus on the practice. So practice with me just for few seconds. What we'll do, just we'll do inhale for first time and then full focus on the exhalation, and you have to imagine that you are exhalation from your navel and try to keep your hands on the knees so that you would be have a very stable posture. Okay, now let's start. Okay guys, stop. Very good, very good. Thank you for being with me. Thank you, and let's catch up in the next video. Thank you everyone.